y'all, welcome to the family. My name is Coach Crystal, and I am now taking bookings. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not a singer. All jokes aside, I really believe that if we're not having fun, we're not living. I'm just simply here to show you guys how to make this phenomenal shake and tea. But just to share, I've been actually having a shake and tea 2 times a day for over 10 years. When I hopped on my nutrition plan, I was the girl in the gym trying to out-train a bad diet. Hopped on my nutrition plan, was able to release 35 pounds. Felt amazing. Energy has been amazing. And I'm still here running this race. So let's get into it. We're going to make our shake 2 different ways. You can simply blend it with cold water, which I love, or you can blend it with water and ice. If you've been to one of our healthy hangouts, you go in, we blend it with water and ice and make it look real cute. So we're going to make it both ways today. Now, to make our shake, we're going to take our protein and we're going to pair it with our Formula 1. Our protein comes in vanilla, peanut cookie, and chocolate. And we're going to pair it with our Formula 1. This is pralines and cream. This has been my favorites for the last 9 months. But it comes in several flavors as well. We have pralines and cream. We have dulce de leche, which is caramel. We have French vanilla. We have cafe latte, which give you a little coffee feel. We have mango pineapple, pina colada, pumpkin spice, Dutch chocolate, and the list just go on and on and on. Wild berries. So get with your coach. They'll be able to get you a list, and that way you will have your favorite flavor every single day. So with our meal plan, we consume 2 shakes a day, 2 teas, 1 meal, and 2 snacks. So we're going to make our first shake. I have cold water in here, and I'm using the NutriBullet, and they're not paying me to say this. I just had this for a while. So we're going to take 2 scoops of our protein. I tell people, like, you can have breakfast. This is breakfast in less than 5 minutes. From start to finish, cleaning and everything. And we're going to take 2 scoops of our Formula 1. I have our pralines. Now with this, you can also add, to make this a butter pecan, you would add about a tablespoon of pecans. Now our shake naked is only 200 calories, 24 grams of protein. We're going to put the top on it. A 3-second blend, y'all, 3 seconds. And boom, breakfast is ready. Now, when you're in a rush, you can just take and throw it back. You can take it, or you can take your fancy cup, right, and pour it in. Ooh, look at that. And breakfast is really ready to go. It's cold is my favorite. If it's not cold enough, you could throw a couple ice cubes in it, put the top on it, hop in the car, head to work, or sit here and just drink it and go on about your day. So we have that shake. Now we're going to blend it with water and ice. So I'm going to take the cup and I'm going to fill it a third of the way, a little more than a third, with water. And you literally can make both of your shakes like this. For some of us, we're out of the house for a good portion of the day, right? So you could drink this, make the second one, put it inside of a cup, take it to work with you, throw it in the refrigerator, have that lunchtime. Your coach would have given you a meal guide. You literally can have your second shake anytime. We like to get you started off in the morning with your shake. It's great nutrition. And ours are meal replacement shakes, not protein shakes. There's a difference. This literally constitutes as a meal. Have any kids running around? They think it's ice cream, y'all. Super easy. Okay, so 2 scoops of Formula 1, 2 scoops of protein. See how much water? Now, if you have a big blender with a big blender cup, you're going to measure about 12 ounces of water. Put 12 ounces of water in, your 2 scoops of Formula 1, your 2 scoops of protein. We're going to do a quick blend, right? And now we're just going to fill it up with ice. So we have that here. Some people like their shake nice and thick. If you've been to one of our healthy hangouts, Man in Nutrition, 609, Aces Nutrition, Trinity, there's plenty of different healthy hangouts around. If you've been to any of those, you probably like your shake like a milkshake texture. And I failed to mention, you do not have to blend these shakes with almond milk, oat milk. I get the question all the time. I tell people, like, they like to put fruit in here. Save that for your next meal. So we're consuming our shake at about 7 o'clock, 9:30, 10, we should be eating something anyway. So that's when you want to have your yogurt with your fruit, or, you know, even having a turkey, bacon, egg, and cheese. You can omit the bread. I always tell you guys and encourage you to eat according to your goals. So if there's no bread, have some turkey bacon, you know, some eggs, and maybe a little piece of fruit. Now you can control the thickness of your shake. If you want it more, is it more thicker? If you want it thicker, right? You just add more ice to it. Look at this. Ooh, we on to something. Hey. So there we have it. We have 2 shakes that are both 200 calories, 24 grams of protein, 21 vitamins and minerals. Drink this one down, take this one, and boom, you have both of your shakes done. Now we're going to get on to the tea, but before we move on to the tea, if there's anyone that's like, I need more than 24 grams of protein in my shake, no problem. We have what we call personalized protein. So again, get back with your coach, they can get this ordered for you. If you're a VIP member, you can order it yourself. 1 scoop is going to add 5 grams of protein with no extra fat and no extra carbs. So this is amazing. I always add, because I do 30 gram shakes when I have mine in the morning. But for the sake of the video, I just wanted to show you guys how to make it super simple. Now we're going to move on to our tea. Now the tea is going to boost your metabolism, burn calories, and give you energy. Our herbal tea concentrate comes in several flavors. We have raspberry, lemon, peach, cinnamon, chai. We also have a pomegranate that's off the chain. And we're going to pair this with our aloe. Y'all, I cannot stress. See, everybody do this, right? I cannot stress how important our aloe is. The aloe is going to help with your digestive system. If you have babies that's running around, you know, you can put a little aloe in the water. If I have anybody out there that's like, I can't drink water because I just don't like the way water tastes, I got a solution for you. We are solution finders. All you get to do is get a cup of water, pour some aloe in it. I like to cut up some lemons, and it tastes just like mandarin lemonade or mango lemonade. So our aloe come in mandarin, it come in mango, and it come in cranberry. So now let's make this tea. All right. I'm gonna start off by putting a little bit of water in the cup, right? And we're gonna put a half a teaspoon of tea in our cup. And this is totally up to you. You can pour the aloe or you can count it out. So for starters, I would say, when people say, how much aloe? I would say 3 to 4 capfuls. I literally just pour the aloe. I love the aloe, y'all. You'll stir it up. We're gonna add a little bit more water and ice, and the tea is done, and it tastes delicious. It tastes delicious just like this. Oh my goodness, it's amazing, y'all. It's amazing. All right, so another hack when it comes to the tea. I also add, we have NRG tea that stands for Natural Raw Guarana. What the NRG does, it helps with mental clarity. So I always throw a half a teaspoon in my tea when I have it in the morning and when I have it in the afternoon. And last but not least, I want to share with you, if you are leaving the house for the day, right, you can get a bigger container. You could either use one of your cups. If you want one of these, get with your coach. Or if you purchase a cup, we have the cups that keep your liquids hot or cold. You can literally make 2 servings in that. Drink half of it now, and then drink the rest of, or the other half, that part later. So there we have it. We get to have the best day ever. So again, welcome to the family. Welcome to the winner's circle. Remember to do something today that your future self is going to thank you for.